Good morning, class. Let's talk about order of operations. Let's call this lesson 1-2, order of operations. Okay, let me get that on there. That looks good. As good as it's going to get. Okay, so this is about order of operations. When you were doing your pre-test the other day, so a lot of you write this, PEMDAS. It was really confusing to me at first because there's a teacher here named Mrs. Premdas, and that's almost too close to this, so it always kind of freaked me out. But then I got used to it. So let's go ahead and start with an easier one. Let's say 5 plus 3 times 2. And so we have a couple of choices here. We have addition and multiplication. And as I look down my list, what should I do first? I should do multiplication first before addition. That's down there. So I'm going to do the multiplication first. 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6. And then I'm left with only one thing to do, and so that'll be 11. And that's probably one of the first examples you were shown something like that when it comes to order of operations. I actually want to look at the pretest. Where did it go? I lost it. There was a problem on it that looked like this. It looked like 7 plus 2 times 6 minus 3. Okay? And there were a lot of people that added the 7 and 2 and got 9. And you can't do that because this is addition, but the operation between the 2 and this is multiplication. You have multiplication right here. So you need to multiply first before you add that together. So we're going to have to do this in a few steps. So first, I'm going to do what's in parentheses. That's always the easiest part because parentheses, doesn't matter what's inside. You just have to do it first. So 6 minus 3 will give me 3. Okay, and now what I have here is just like this problem up here. You have addition and multiplication. Here you have addition and multiplication. What do I need to do first? I need to multiply. So let's put a 6 there. And then finally that'll give me 13. So be really careful about that when you have a bunch of stuff going on. If you do more than one thing at once, you are taking a risk of messing it up. So if you do it just one step at a time, so the subtraction there inside the parentheses, and then the multiplication between the 2 and the 3, and then the addition there. If you do it one step at a time, you will get it right. If you try to do more than one thing at once, you very well may mess it up. So don't mess it up. Get it right. Okay.